made by Wunderhorse, is played in standard tuning and without a capo. The first chord in this song is a beautiful E minor add 9 chord voicing. Third finger 7th fret the A, first finger on the D string at the 5th fret, open G, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the B string, and the high E string is also open. And we're going to come in actually on the 4 and, so and 1 and 2. So we're going to strum down 4 times, and 1 and 2. Then we're going to move down to a C add 9 chord. This is going to be played with the 3rd finger at the 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D string, and the pinky finger again on the 3rd fret of the B string. G and E again open. And we're going to strum 4 times here too, and 3 and 4. Then we'll move back to that E minor, add 9 on the and of 4. So it's basically 4 strums on each. And that's the whole chord progression for the verse. The very last time through the verse, instead of going back to that E minor 9 after the C add 9, we'll play and we're going to hit the open A, D and G strings as we transition into the chorus. So that last time through we'd have the E minor add 9 and 1 and 2, down to that C add 9 and 3 and 4, open as we transition into our chords for the chorus. For the chorus, we're going to go to the G6 chord. We've got 3rd fret on the E and 2nd fret on the A. I generally keep the 3rd fret on the B down as well. You don't have to actually, because we're going to aim mainly for the bass notes when we're playing this chord. We're going to play an E, A and D. We're going to strum down 3 times before moving to an E minor 7 chord. 2nd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, and again that 3rd fret on the B string. Again, we're going to be aiming on the bass string, so E, A and D. And we've got 4 strums this time, and 3 and 4. Then on the and, we're going to go to that C add 9 chord from the verse, and we're going to play this 8 times, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very last hit on the 4 round, we'll get those open A, D and G strings again before transitioning back to the G6 and just play that on